how to delete outfits or costumes in Roblox Mobile. Hello everybody, if you're wondering how you can follow up the steps. So for that, you need to go ahead and access the Roblox in a browser, not the application. So in order to have the delete feature, you need to go ahead and access a browser. You can open up any of your browser that you prefer. After you open up your browser, you can head over to roblox.com and you should be finding this interface. Now when you log into this interface, what you can do is you need to go ahead and turn off desktop site first. For that, when you head over to the browser, you can tap on the three dot, and after tapping on it, go ahead and turn on desktop site. Tap on it. Once your desktop site appears like this, what you need to do is head over to your character. So for that, you can head over to the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen to open up a menu. So from the given menu, you can head over to the option that says avatar. Tap on it to open up your avatar. So when you open up your avatar here, you should be finding all of your costumes and character. Once you're under this costume section, what you need to do is go ahead and locate up your character, something like this, and you should be finding a settings option at the top of the character. You can tap on it, and when you do, it gives you an option called delete. Go ahead and tap on delete. So you need to confirm this, that you want to delete this character, confirm it, and when you do, it will be done. So that is how you basically delete costumes on Roblox. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.